Hello and welcome back to this new class. I'm just opening the Notepad++ here, and what I'm just doing here, actually you knew that I just made the sidebar clear up. So now in the search something area I have to do, or I have to add some kind of things. So by the way, this is the form, okay, and this form actually has this input and this another input, and this form I'm just sending this form to the page. I'm just adding the action attribute, and here I'm just typing search.php. okay, so save that. Interestingly, I just didn't create the search.php, so first I'm just creating the search.php, then I'll teach you some more interesting things. The search.php is actually just like the menu.php in theme, okay, not like in the programming but in theme. The thing is that, which is the interesting, that this search.php, the sidebar.php, okay, this sidebar.php is not in directly in the CMS. It is inside the includes folder, and go here. Now let's see, this is in the includes folder, this is a sidebar, okay. I am just sending the form to the search.php, which is actually not inside the includes folder. That means I have to add two periods and a line, the slash, okay, for actually linking the back directory, but not now, not really needed. Why? Just because I'm not opening the sidebar directly, I'm just including the sidebar.php in the index.php or the post.php or the menu.php. All that pages are not in the includes, all that pages are actually here on the main directory. So actually this is the part, and now after just rendering in the browser, the sidebar will not be inside the includes, okay. This is the part, this will be the part of the index.php or other addresses. So that means we're not talking about the sidebar, we're talking about the menu.php sometimes, or the post.php sometimes, or the index.php. So in that case, the search.php is on the same directory of the menu.php, post.php, or index.php. So we don't need to add the back directory here. Now let us open the search.php page, where it is there is a search.php page. I'm just opening that in the edit button with Notepad++. So the thing is, in the search.php I will not get any kind of cat name or something, so I'm just deleting this where clause from this area, okay, from the search.php. I'm just typing select all from post directly, okay. At this time I'm not adding any kind of where right now. Let's just go to the browser and just type the index of search.php, press enter and refresh that. Okay, I got the result. Just simply I'm just getting whole menu, okay, actually the whole data of the website. So obviously the search.php is not working. But if I just here in the nature page, I'm not in the search.php page. If I just type something here, and if I just click on the search button, then I am inside the search.php. That means this form is working perfectly. Now the thing is that I have to send a name here. I have to go to the sidebar back, and this is the sidebar, and here this is the input, which actually the type search. I just have to create the name with this, and what the name should be, the search. Okay, I just selected the name search as the search field. Okay, perfect. Now here I just have to add the name with the button as well, which should be the search submit. Okay, now what to do, just go to this search.php, and here if is set, I'm just checking that the variable is exist or no. So if is that, get search submit. Okay, if the search submit is exist, and when it is exist, when anyone just clicks on the search submit. Okay, so now Here I'm just doing some more things. First of all, if the search submit exists, then I'm just running the query, or actually I'm just copying the whole while area, cutting and pasting inside that if. Okay, now just remove the blank spaces, and actually this is perfect. Okay, for now the thing is, first of all, I'm just getting the search sub. If search submit is exist, then select all from post. Now where I'm adding the where query. Okay, the first thing is where title. This title belongs to the posts area. Okay, if I just type where title is equals to $get, you know about this get, this is the, if I just go to the sidebar, so this is the actually search. Okay, so here the search. Okay, where the title is equals to get search. Okay, select all from posts where title is equals to get search. So go to the browser and refresh that. I'm getting nothing, but if I just type here something, now still nothing. Okay, you can see that I'm just getting nothing. If I just click on nature, and if I just type the first post, okay, simply I'm just copying the first post. If I just paste the first post here and just click there, now I'm getting the first post. Okay, that means the search area is working so perfectly. If I just type here the second post instead of the first post, I'm just typing second post and press enter. Now I'm getting the second post. So the search area is working, but the problem is that what if I just type only second, press enter, now refresh that, now I'm just getting nothing. This is the problem, the big problem. So how to solve that? If you just want to create a search area, so we don't use the equal to sign. Okay, because I'm not talking about the equality or the perfectionist. I'm just talking about the like. Okay, like. So the thing is that where the title like this search, okay, it means just like the search, not equal to search. But in the like area we have to put two things. Here I just added this person sign. This is actually called the wild card in the SQL. How it works actually, for example, I just removed that line, the search area, I'm just typing the T. Okay, the mean is that all the data, or actually all the title rows, or all the title fields actually, which is ending at the T, should show there. Refresh that now. The first post is ending from the T, and the both are ending with the T. Okay, perfectly done. But the problem is that if I just add another here as well, the mean is that, so this declares that the T can be inside the text, or can be the corner, or can be the starting letter or the ending letter of any text. Okay, now I'm not typing the T. Okay, I'm just typing the second. Save that and refresh that. Now only the second post. Okay, now obviously I'm not talking about the ending letter or ending text or the ending word or the starting. I'm talking about the anywhere's word. Okay, the second is anywhere. And if I just type THE, save that and refresh that again. Now refresh that back. Now the first, now you know that the THE is in the both letters, so that is perfect. But now instead of this, I'm just adding the get, and here the get and the search. Okay, save that, refresh that. This is perfect. Okay, if I just type here FIRST and click on search, now I'm just getting the first post. If I just type POST, refresh, save, search that, now I'm getting the first and second post both. If I just type the sorry, not A, only IST, okay, search that, I'm getting nothing. Or IST and search that. Oh yes, no letter is coming from the IST. I just forgot that. If I just type ST and search that, so the thing is that ST is in the in the second post and the first post as well, I was just talking about the RST, but I just put it the IST. I'm just typing the RST and clicking on search button. Okay, here is the RST in the URL. Now I got the first post. Okay, so this is really simple. If you just want to make a search engine on your site, just use the like query and use the wildcards around the character or around the receiving data, and then just apply this all the same thing. Okay, this is really simple, that how to search something or how to make a search engine. So guys, I'm just adding some more things. Okay, another thing is, actually, you know that everything is not inside the title or the header. Something can be from the description or other things or other areas. The problem is that how to add two wheres. Press any space and type OR. Okay, the meaning of OR is, or actually I'm just copying this, the whole thing. Okay, after the OR I'm just copying the whole thing and paste that, and deleting the title and adding the description means another table, or actually the another column of the table, the description. The mean is that where title just like the get search, or the description just like the get search. Now the specialty of OR is just that if we just search something which is in the description and in the title both, then it will result as the positive way. Okay, refresh that. Now I'm just typing what I'm just typing, lorem, and just click on search button. Now I'm just not getting anything. Refresh that. Now I'm just getting the lorem. Okay, if I just type POST and search something, now I got both of them. And if I just type FUGA and search them, now where is the FUGA? Here, if you just find the FUGA, it is there, should be somewhere. Okay, or in this post at least. If I just click on read more, then let's just find out the FUGA. There is the FUGA. Okay, or if I just type the dolorum search, I just found this word somewhere in the second post, so I'm just testing this word. The dolorum is inside this area. Okay, so by the way, I hope you understood how to do that, how to create a search engine. We will learn some more things in next class. Stay tuned and goodbye.